Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to send money to Brazil. It's really easy. The first step we need to do is open our Sendwave app and we need to log in. Okay. The second step you need to do is confirm your identity. This is really easy. You're going to click right here and then you're going to select this option or this one. Once we add these documents or info, we need to add a payment info. um, right here in this section of account you will need to add the payment info, and then we can add a contact right here. We're going to click right here. In this area we're gonna select Brazil as a country, as the country, and then we're gonna select the payment method to send the money to this person. In this area right here we're gonna add some info about the contact, and once we do that, right here we can type the name of the person that will receive the money, and right here you can type the amount to send, and right here you can see the amount to receive, uh, or the amount to will receive in the currency of Brazil. Okay, and then you're going to click this button to send the money. It's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.